The Golden Triangle is one of the most important regions in the world in terms of narcotics production and transnational crime. Located at the tri-junction of Thailand, Myanmar, and Laos, the region lies at the confluence of the Rubak River and the Mekong River. Along with the Golden Crescent, it has historically been one of the largest producers of opium in the world. Since the 1950s, the Golden Triangle dominated global opium production until it was overtaken by the Golden Crescent in the early 21st century. Golden Triangle origin. The Golden Triangle originated in the mid 20th century when opium producers shifted from China to the remote borderlands of Thailand, Myanmar, and Laos after strict anti-drug crackdowns by the Chinese Communist regime. Before the Golden Triangle emerged, China dominated global opium production, especially after unequal treaties imposed by the United Kingdom following the Opium Wars in the mid 19th century. After World War II, the Chinese Communist Party came to power and launched strict anti-drug campaigns, forcing addicts into rehabilitation, arresting and executing traffickers, and destroying opium fields. These harsh measures compelled opium producers and traffickers to relocate southward into the mountainous and poorly governed border areas of Thailand, Myanmar, and Laos. The retreating force of the Kuomintang KMT, supported by the anti-communist network, settled in northern Myanmar and played a key role in expanding organized opium cultivation and trade. The KMT taxed local farmers heavily and encouraged large-scale opium production to finance their operation, institutionalizing the narcotics economy in the region. Weak state control, rugged terrain, ethnic insurgencies, and cross-border smuggling networks helped consolidate the region as a global opium hub by the 1950s. By the mid 20th century, annual production in the Golden Triangle had reached hundreds of tons, firmly establishing it as one of the world's largest illicit opium producing regions. How is India affected by the Golden Triangle? India is significantly affected by the Golden Triangle due to its geographic proximity to Myanmar and the porous nature of its northeastern borders. The region has contributed to drug trafficking, rising addiction rates, and serious internal security challenges in India. India shares a long and porous border with Myanmar, especially across the northeast Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, making it vulnerable to cross-border drug smuggling. Heroin from the Golden Triangle began entering India's northeast in the mid 1970s, and after 1984 its availability increased sharply, leading to widespread addiction. Certain northeastern states witnessed an alarming rise in heroin abuse during the 1990s, creating a severe public health crisis and increasing cases of HIV or AIDS due to needle sharing. Much of the heroin smuggled into Northeast is meant for local consumption, not just transit, worsening the social and economic condition of youth in border areas. Drug trafficking networks often overlap with insurgent groups in the northeast, leading to narco-terrorism, where drug money funds armed militancy and illegal arms procurement. Although Southeast Asian origin heroin forms only a small percentage of total national seizures, repeated confiscations in cities like Guwahati, Kolkata, and Delhi indicate sustained trafficking routes. Weak border infrastructure, difficult terrain, and the free movement regime along the India-Myanmar border create enforcement challenges. The Golden Triangle also complicates India's foreign policy, requiring stronger cooperation with Myanmar and Southeast Asian countries under platforms like Mekong-Ganga cooperation. Government initiative to curb drug trafficking. The Government of India has adopted a multi-pronged strategy to curb drug trafficking, combining strict legal enforcement, border management, international cooperation, and demand reduction measures. Implementation of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances (NDPS) Act 1985, providing stringent punishment for production, possession, and trafficking of drugs, strengthening the Narcotics Control Bureau to coordinate intelligence, interstate operations, and international cooperation against drug syndicates, launch of the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan to spread awareness, reduce drug demand, and support rehabilitation efforts. Establishment of the National Investigation Agency to investigate narco-terrorism cases linked to organized crime and insurgent funding. strengthening border surveillance along vulnerable regions, especially the India-Myanmar and India-Pakistan borders through fencing, smart monitoring systems, and joint patrols. Enhance cooperation with international agencies like the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime for intelligence sharing and capacity building. Way forward to effectively address the challenges posed by the Golden Triangle, India needs a multi-dimensional strategy combining border management, regional diplomacy, internal security reforms, and social intervention. Strengthen border management along the India-Myanmar border through advanced surveillance systems, fencing in vulnerable stretches, better road connectivity, and deployment of modern technology such as drones and smart sensors. Enhance intelligence sharing and coordinated operation with Myanmar, Thailand, and Laos to dismantle cross-border trafficking networks. Actively utilize regional platforms like Mekong Ganga Cooperation and BIMSTEC for joint anti-narcotic strategy and capacity building. Strengthen the role of enforcement agencies such as the Narcotics Control Bureau and improve interagency coordination among state police, customs, and intelligence agencies. Review and rationalize the free movement regime along the India-Myanmar border to prevent its misuse by drug traffickers while safeguarding local tribal interests. Promote alternative livelihood programs in vulnerable border districts to reduce local collaboration with drug networks and insurgent groups.